What's up guys? So pretty interesting video today. I want to break down exactly how you can build a successful affiliate marketing business whilst traveling the world. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to break down everything I've done over the last 7 years that has allowed me to travel to over 55 countries and earn thousands and thousands of dollars whilst doing that. So yeah, it should be an interesting video. You're definitely going to learn a lot from it, that's for sure. So let's dive into it. Alright, so first off, if this is your first time on this channel, go down, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so you're notified of all future videos. And what you're going to learn on here is I'm going to teach you guys how to make money with affiliate marketing whilst traveling the world. Right, that's the whole purpose of my channel. And then also sharing some lifestyle, travel, adventure stuff in the meantime. So, like I say, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this, right? How to travel the world while with an affiliate marketing business. So I'm going to break it down to 3 parts, right? That's, well, 3 main parts, what I feel are the main things that's going to allow you to do this, to do the same as I have. And to be honest, there is nothing better than freedom. To do what you want or do what you love every single day. For me, it is traveling. I've been, like I said before in the intro, to over 55 countries, just doing what I love, working, you know, between 30 minutes to an hour a day. I've actually got my laptop here, don't know if you can see it. I've done my work for today and I thought I'd just shoot this video as I'm actually traveling right now. So diving into it, the first part, now this is the main part, right, is to actually believe that you can do this, right? Mindset is key to success in anything in life, not just, you know, with building a business on the internet. You actually truly need to believe that you can do this, that you can travel the world and, you know, work for 30 minutes a day whilst, and then go and do and explore what you love to do, right? So mindset is key. You need to truly believe that it is possible, because if you don't have a strong vision as to why you want to do this, and you will quit, you will give up, right? Because that's what stops people from succeeding in this space, is they have the wrong mindset. They have this opinion of, you know, the affiliate marketing space of being this, you know, amazing get rich quick thing. But it's not. It does require time, effort and money if you want to build a successful affiliate marketing business. So you need to nail down your mindset. Now for me, when I got my mindset right, all I ever did was watch videos on YouTube, motivation, inspirational videos from people like Tony Robbins or Gary Vaynerchuk, you know, people like that. And my mindset flipped, you know, completely upside down. And there's actually a guy that I recommend called Weldon Long. I'll link his channel below in the description. I watched one of his videos and my whole mindset changed in an instant. Alright, so it's not like you need to go out there and invest your hard-earned money into all these fancy mindset personal development courses. You don't need to do that. YouTube is the best thing for learning, you know, right now, without having to pay for anything. And the stuff you learn on YouTube is amazing. So if you're not too sure where your mindset is, I just recommend go and check out some motivational speakers, motivational speeches, and inspirational ones on YouTube, just to kind of, you know, get your mind in the right place. And once you've got that cemented in, that's what's going to give you that foundation to keep persevering and keep putting in the work whilst you're going through that building stage of building an affiliate marketing business. Now, branching on from that, the second point is leverage, right? If you want to do this, you want to travel the world, you don't want to be working all the time, right? That's the whole purpose of doing affiliate marketing, so you don't need to work, so you can work from your laptop for 30 minutes to an hour a day, then go and do what you want. Right? No one gets started in the affiliate marketing space so they can work on their laptop for like 10 hours. No one does that, right? So you need to have leverage in your business. Now, for me, what I like to do, and this is the same thing I've done for 7 years, is I like to leverage marketing platforms. All right, platforms that teach people how to build a business on the internet, all right? Because there's a massive market for that right now. Everybody's looking to learn how to build their business online. I mean, that's, you know, where things are right now. No one's really doing the offline stuff. If you are, you need to, you know, get going with the online stuff, because that's where the world's moving. You want to have leverage in your business, so it's good to have, you know, a system in place that does everything for you, that, you know, trains people, that educates, that coaches them, that mentors them, right? You want to have that in place, and that's going to give you the freedom. It's not like you need to, like, it's still good to communicate with your customers and team members and stuff like that, but it's not necessary. Like I do it, you know, when I'm down at the beach, I'll just, you know, send texts to make sure how everyone's getting on and stuff like that. So I'd definitely recommend marketing platforms like actual products, like things off ClickBank or Amazon, like e-commerce stuff. I'd never recommend that, because personally, I've got a buddy who was out with me in Thailand, and he was sitting just doing this stuff all day on his computer. Like, I wanted to go and do stuff, man, like go bungee jumping or go snorkeling or something, but you had to stay and list all these items on Amazon, right? Now, personally, that's not a lifestyle I've ever wanted. I never wanted to work like hard, right? I wanted to work smart, have everything done for me, and I could do what I love. That's why I got started with affiliate marketing. So I definitely recommend marketing platforms. It's going to be linked to 2 different ones in the description. Now, these are the 2 that I recommend for having an automated business, right? So if you want to travel, you want to experience new cultures, new countries, new cities, then having an automated business similar to my own probably would be the best thing. That's what I'd recommend, because that's what I know works. So yeah, and then branching on from that part is the actual traffic generation. Now, if you are an affiliate marketer, you'll know this is the thing that everybody struggles with, right? Nobody can drive the right quality traffic to their platforms, to their offers, because I think everybody overcomplicates it. I've got to the point I am in my life right now, traveling the world through doing free marketing. I don't actually do paid marketing, and I teach my members how to do that stuff, right? So if you do decide to partner up with me in any of the businesses below, find out what one you feel could benefit you most, and then partner up with me in that one, and I'll teach you what I do, right? Alongside the actual training you'll get from inside the platform. Now, obviously, it's not necessary that I need to do that, because these platforms do, educate you on what you need to do to succeed. But at the same time, with my method, it works really well, right? For people with all different skill sets, it's very easy to do, and it doesn't cost anything, right? And I actually came up with a strategy like 7 years ago, and now a lot of people in the affiliate marketing space use this because I was too kind and taught everybody. But yeah, that's it is what it is, isn't it? So like say you get access to what I do that's allowed me to create the lifestyle that I have for myself. So in a nutshell, you could have the same business, the same marketing strategies, methods that I use every single day that allows me to live this lifestyle. So you could have exactly what I have set up within a couple of hours. It's not actually that difficult. And there isn't anything else to it, really, in my opinion. That's really all it takes. You need to have the right system, you need to have leverage, you need to have a business in place. That's why I recommend like these marketing platforms, done for you systems, because you just drive traffic there and let the rest take care of itself. You don't need to actually monitor or manage stuff. And then you do traffic methods, wherever you want to do paid marketing, because you actually get paid marketing training as well if you partner with our team, because we have actually 3 different subjects that we cover: free Facebook marketing strategies, YouTube marketing strategies, and paid marketing strategies. So you're getting everything then alongside the company training. So you're really getting everything that you need to succeed, and it's not too difficult. Then it's just a case of being consistent and actually going through the training, getting your business set up properly, setting that foundation right, driving the traffic, and then keep doing it every single day. And there is no reason as to why you can't be traveling the world whilst building a successful affiliate marketing business within like a realistic, I want to be honest with you here, right? A realistic time scale for the average person to go from where they are to traveling and doing what they love. I would say is around about the 4 to 6 month mark on average. Some people it might take a couple of months, some people it might take a lot longer. For me, it took a year. It just depends on your work ethic, and everyone just has their breakthroughs at different points. So that's it. There is no secret. I've just basically laid out every single thing that I've done over the last 7 years, that I've done every single day, that's allowed me to get to where I am. And my whole purpose of this video is to share with you how you can do the exact same. Alright, so like I say, go ahead, click the links in the description, have a little look, check them out, see what you think. If you partner up with me on them, then you'll get access to my training and the YouTube stuff and the paid marketing strategies as well. So yeah, hope you got some value from this one, guys. This was a video that a lot of people have been asking me to do, alright, because everyone wants to know how I do this, how I travel the world and make the kind of money that I do that you've seen at the start of this video. It can get pretty crazy, right? I'll be honest, but that is a possibility. But that's why mindset is key as well. You need to truly believe that earning like $1,000, $5,000, $10,000, even $14,000 in a day, which is what I done, which you've seen at the start of this video, is possible. But you need to believe that kind of stuff, and you attract what you think about. Right? Whatever's going up on here, you will attract that into your life. That is why mindset is key. So yeah, hopefully you got a lot of value from this video, guys. I've just laid out every single thing, that I've done. So yeah, with that being said, click those links, check them out. Any questions about anything, let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next one.